best of the game in this conference. And that's a process of this team. And then how we finish is really good. Like nothing to else. From the beginning, our verbal level is not unlike now, but we passed 6 months and we did more than like 10 games, and we make it a lot of improvement. I'm so happy now. Thank you, boss.
Thank you, Coach. And best player of the game, Ellie Sawyer with 18 points. Ellie, big win for Akari, and yun nga, na-sweep na yun Choco Mucho. Personally lang ba, ano yung mindset mo? Especially nung mga huling points, parang gigil na din mo kumain panalo.
Wala, sa akin naman kasi, ando na kami, last points na lang, parang ibigay natin lahat. Kasi mahirap pag binigyan pa namin ng momentum yung Choco. Siyempre, magbabounce back talaga sila. So, habang nasa amin yung momentum, kunin namin and para hindi na din kami mahirapan.
Thank you. And for Ivy, ikaw yung nakascore ng winning point for Akari. Gano'n ka lang din siguro ka-proud sa nilaban ng team, especially after a long conference, tapos down kayo ng 1 game sa series na to?
Siguro po sa akin yung last point na ba't ako niyak tayo? Po, parang siyempre parang naisip ko yung lahat nung nangyari po ngayong conference. So parang siguro yung last point dun nabuhos ko lahat.
From barely making it to the semis before you took over, now you won your second podium finish with the bronze.
Because last conference, like everyone was saying, like, oh, we have already, that's why we went to the championship. But actually, before the starting of this conference, my target is going to the ranking 6, and then after that, we will see, like, going to the semi-final, quarter-final, and then this year growing up, it's like the end of the game, end of the season, like against strong team, we still fighting. We showing our fighting spirits, and then we show like we deserve to go to the top 4 team. Even like we came to ranking 7. So I think that's my target. As my project, need to improve for all the players on this team, and also like getting inspiration from the strong team. And a lot of things we are learning from that, and it's a totally good conference.
Ulit. So, bilang kayo yung dalawa kumbagang nag-take over dun talaga sa lead, outside leader role, parang gano'n siya ka-fulfilling or extra fulfilling tong podium na to compared last conference na all Filipino yung nagawa tong achievement?
Siyempre, para sa amin po, sobrang laking achievement po sa team namin. Kasi yun nga po, parang last year nandun si Oli, and then yun parang kailangan po talaga namin magdoble talaga trabaho. Kaya parang sobrang sarap lang sa feeling kasi grabe po yung mga pag-aaway namin, lahat-lahat na po ng iyak, dugo, talagang binuhos po talaga namin dito. And ayun po, ngayon naman po sobrang masaya kami sa naging result po ng team namin.
Yun nga sabi ni Ivy, sa akin naman sobrang fulfilling to kasi yun nga sabi ni Coach Saka na ang dami sabi na napunta lang kami sa finals kasi dahil kay Oli. Isang malaking challenge siya for us para mag-fill in sa gap na iniwan ni Oli. Yung points na nabibigay niya sa team, syempre yun nga, sobrang kayo din lang talaga kami, and yung tiwala ng coaches and yung teammates namin andun. So, ayun, nandito kami.